Hello and welcome to this presentation by I&E on using GNS3 for network simulations. I'm Keith Bogart and I will be your instructor for this series of videos. Now, to begin with, GNS3, what is it? Well, you might not even know what the acronym stands for. It stands for Graphical Network Simulator, and if you're watching this series of videos, it's because you already know a little bit about the potential use of GNS3. So I'm going to make some assumptions here as I start out this video series. Number one, I'm going to assume that your primary interest in using GNS3 is one of two things. Either you're studying for some sort of certification like a Cisco CCNA or a CCNP, or you just want to practice the technologies. Maybe you're curious about how BGP works. You want to work a little bit more with NAT or access lists or something like that, and you don't really have real equipment to work with, and you want to try it out on GNS, which is a perfect platform for that type of thing. So in this series of videos, I'm going to start at the very beginning. I'm going to show you where to find the software, how to download it, and then from that point on, I'm going to talk a little bit about, okay, why does GNS use Cisco iOS images? When selecting an iOS image, what types of things should you consider as far as which type of iOS image you want to use? And then we'll talk about how you import the iOS images into GNS3, how you set up your topologies, and I'll give you some examples of how to create labs using GNS3 and all the various things that go along with that. So follow along with me as we dive into the tutorial here on using GNS3.